Hello everybody. In the second part, we will note the requirements to synchronize MySQL to a SQLite database using Firebase Cloud Messaging and Broadcast Receiver. First, we have to install a local server. I am using WAM server. WAM server, as my operating system is Windows. We open the browser and type localhost /phpMyAdmin, and we make the username root and password as empty. Use the username and password as it and click go. And here we will click database, create database, name it Sync MySQL and create. Okay. Here we will create two tables. The first table, messages, and to contain 4 columns, and click go. The first column, we call it ID, and column type is integer, and make it primary key. Auto increment. The second column, name it title, and column type is text. Third column is message, and column type is text. And the first column is sync status, and make it as integer and use default value as divine and make it 1. Click save. Here we have the table, and go to the Sync MySQL database and create table. The second table is used to save the token ID from the mobile app, and name the table is token ID, and number of columns, make it 1, and click go. Name it token ID and column type varchar and length values, make it 300, and click save. Okay, now we have database sync MySQL and messages table contain 4 columns and token ID 1 column to save the token ID for mobile apps. Okay. Next, we will create a new Android application. Start new application and name it Synchronize MySQL to S, or name it as capital MySQL to SQLite click next and use minimum API 16 Android Jelly Bean and click next. Use empty activity, click next, and make main activity name as main activity and click finish. Now the application is starting to create it. I will pause the video until building ended. Now the application created and click the text view and world, delete it. First thing, we have to add the application to Firebase Cloud Messaging. We open browser and click Firebase. Choose firebase.google.com. Go to console. Click add project. Name the project Synchronize MySQL to SQLite and click accept terms, controlled terms, and create project. Your new project is ready. Click continue. Here are the steps to add our project to Firebase Cloud Messaging. Get started by adding Firebase to your app. Choose SDK. We will choose Android. Now the build finished and synchronization finished. Now we need to add another dependencies to create our project. We need dependencies for card view and recycle view, design and volley. Ctrl C. And click synchronize now. Another dependency here waiting us to communicate to the app. We should to start the app. Build successfully. We now debug the application. Now we wait until Gradle build finish and running the app. Now the app is running. We wait until checking the communication with the app successfully. Okay, continue to console. Okay, we have connected our app to Firebase Cloud Messaging. We need another dependency. Go to documents. Get started with Android. Here we need messaging libraries. Copy this line and paste it in dependencies. Click implementation. Ctrl V and make it in sync quotations. And click synchronize now. Now the app is synchronized successfully. Now another thing we need is PHP files, or we need more than PHP script file. We will go to from the WAMP server, click on the tray and choose www directory. We here have 4 PHP files. The first file is con to connect it to the database and server. Contain database name called Sync MySQL as we created. Username root and password is nothing, double quotations, and server name is 127.0.0.1 as localhost server IP, and create connection variable is equal to MySQLi connect, and we pass the parameters: first server name, second parameter username, and third parameter password, and third parameter is database name, and set MySQL set set on variable con and make it UTF-8. This file will be required to connect to the database. The second file is to send the token ID. In first line, we added require con to PHP and create variable for token ID as a post, and this variable will come from the mobile app and containing the token ID of the application, and create if connection successfully if variable conn here insert to the token ID table token ID column values variable token ID that came from the mobile app, and type if by SQLi query on variable conn and variable SQL is successfully echo token ID saved successfully, else echo token ID not saved, and if the connection is not successfully, echo connection error. The second file contain require con to PHP file, and we have four variables: title as a title of message, and the message as a message body, and pass to FCM firebase cloud messaging variable. Here is the server to our URL to send the notification after saving the message. The server key, we will get it from Firebase Cloud Messaging. As we added our app to cloud messaging, we will get the server key. Here, if connection is successfully, insert into messages title and message values variable title and variable message. If my SQLite query on variable connection and variable SQL, echo message saved successfully, and create new variable SQLN to select the token IDs from token ID. Here we will add the token IDs in array to send the notification to multiple devices. And the create variable result as query of connection and SQLN to collect the token IDs, and create variable headers as array contain authentication key equal dot server key, and we will add it here. And type content type application JSON, and the create variable k equal array, and while variable row is equal MySQLite fetch rows on variable result in array push variable key as array, and rows 0 as specified to token ID column is number 0 in the table. After that, we create variable fields as array contain registration ID equal to variable key that was array created from token IDs, and identification is equal array of title equal to variable title, and body equal to variable message. And the create variable payload is equal to JSON encode on variable fields, and click and type new variable curl session equal curl initiate curl set opt is equal to curl session, and curl opt URL is equal to pass to FCM is the URL that will send the message or notification through it, and set curl opt post equal true as true, and HTTP header as variable headers created above, and return transfer as true, and SSL verifier, secure shell verifier false, and IP resolve is equal to curl IP resolve underscore version 4, and postfields as payload variable we created, and make variable result is equal to curl execute curl session, and close the session on variable curl session. This file will save the message come from the web page, and once the message is saved successfully, the notification will send it to Firebase Cloud Messaging to send it to the application. Now, in the third part, we will start creating the app, and see you soon to create the application from Android. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get the new videos. Goodbye.